If your online arbitrage products do not feel replenishable, don't worry, you are not doing anything wrong. You might just be missing how real replens actually do work. And once you see it, everything does click. Now, rethink what an actual replen is. Most beginners, and to no surprise, they think that a replen is a product that you can buy over and over and over again and continue to keep replenishing it without the price going down, without the competition rising, and you're making a decent profit every time you replenish this product. Now on Amazon, things change very, very fast and things can get put on a leads list, especially within online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. A replen is quite often rare. And the thing is, you're probably looking at replens completely wrong. Now, if there is an item that goes on sale every 3 months, if you're tracking this within a Google Sheet or however you want to track this sale, when you realise that this sale does come on and go, you can replenish this product every 3 months. And if you want to stock up on 3 months worth of inventory, you can, as long as the product is proven. Even if you don't do that and you just buy every 3 months, and if you have like thousands of ASINs that you can just cycle through, you're gonna have a real profitable business throughout the 12-month period every single year. And honestly, the deals are out there. Combined with a coupon and learning sales cycles is basically how you find replens doing online arbitrage. And if you learn in-store sales cycles and you find some products that are good when they're on like a 3 for 2 deal at Tesco's or some sort like that, then you can do it with retail arbitrage also. You can also get seasonal replens that that always have a sale just before summer, or a sale for Halloween, and also a sale for Christmas, like Black Friday. That's a replen, but it's only a replen that you can buy every single year. And you can see how you can make a lot of profit if you stack replens throughout the year and you know where to look, when to look, and how much to buy once you've tested this ASIN and it's proven success. Honestly, Amazon, especially online arbitrage, it's just about building data up so you can continue to keep making your sourcing easier and easier and easier. So with an ASIN that sells every 3 months, it's more than likely you're going to find it on a site that it drops down for a 3 for 2 deal every few months. There's normally a reason. Sometimes it's just a standard cycle within that website. It's going to be the same profit on Amazon. Of course, things can change, but this is how you read the data. And you would look every few months, the offer count rises, and then you see a month later after the sales ended, the offer count drops, the price rises. If you can learn just to wait that extra month, you can sell at this higher price. If not, and you're happy selling at the lower price, but you're still making a decent ROI or return on investment, then you can do this too. You can run your business however you want. Replen doesn't mean constant, it means repeatable. Now, this does not mean you can't scale with one-time buys like clearance items or one-time sales, because that does happen and I've made thousands from doing this. My business is not based off of replens, but of course I do have quite a few replens, quite a few sites that I am tracking some sales on, that I know I can spend quite a fair amount of money on this site when this sale becomes active. It's not a bad thing to go back to square one after a good flip, because in reality, you're not going all the way back to square one. As long as you continue to keep finding new buys, continue to keep flipping them, a lot of the times you can replenish some of them unless it's a clearance product. But a lot of Amazon to Amazon flips are price errors, not always. There are some replenishable products through Amazon to Amazon, but a lot of the times they can just be like price errors, big sales that don't happen every too often and are quite hard to track. But these make up probably like 33% of my business, just literally doing Amazon to Amazon flips. And these are great. I don't pass on buy just because they're not replenishable. I'm going to continue to keep buying them, and I'm going to continue to keep finding them and flipping them. One flip after another flip after another flip is the model sometimes. Don't be disheartened when it feels like you're getting reset every single month, because you're not. These deals are what a lot of Amazon sellers are selling and making lots of money within this business model. As long as you keep finding winners, your knowledge keeps stacking, you're hitting your spend and your profit goals for each month, just keep grinding, keep focusing up, and you will realise what products you can replen, what products you can, and you would know where to source, and you would know what sites to source from. If you can keep finding winners and your spend and profit keeps rising every single month, that is still scaling. I thought I had to keep finding replenishable products when I first started Amazon FBA, and it was really, really confusing me. One-time wins do compound when you are consistent with it. Now, I don't track my replens within Keeper, but you can do that. Some people track the prices. So if you can see the price goes up and down, or the offer count's going up and down, but when the offer count goes up, the price drops to a certain price, and it happens quite often, like every few months. You can track the price drop, and Keeper will send a notification to your email or Telegram, and you can see 9 times out of 10 that this product is now on sale or was literally just recently on sale as people are sourcing this item. I don't track my sales using Keeper graphs or the Keeper tracking. I log my deals when I found it personally in a Google Sheet on how often this item does go on sale. Now, the third time, you're pretty much 88% of the time there. You know this sale goes on every 6 months, every 3 months, every month, every couple of weeks. You now know just by stacking this data, and over time, it will continue to keep stacking, and there will be more profitable products within that sale for sure if you found one item. This brand halves their prices every month. This website, these are the signals that you're looking for, and make sure you're stacking all the data, all the details that you are doing when sourcing, and you will grow your business. Your own data is king when doing Amazon. Now, if you found a profitable product under a brand, odds on there is plenty more of where that came from. Let's say, for example, Nivea, you found a lip balm that was profitable. Don't just stop there. Head on to Keeper, filter by brand, or head onto that website, filter it by brand. Nivea, I'm almost certain that you will continue to keep finding winners, unless the brand only sells one type of product, which is quite often rare. If you found a winner from a site, like 2 to 3 winners, or even just one, bookmark that site. Make sure you continue to keep sourcing that site, manual source that site. Make sure you sign up to the newsletters especially. This is a great way to find out when certain sites are having a sale. Focus on building a hit list of trusted retailers, trusted brands. Your own Amazon sourcing map can help you so much when scaling your Amazon business. Now, if you are a beginner or you're in the trenches, you keep trying to find products but you just can't find them, trust me, continue to keep going. Just keep going, stay consistent, continue to keep putting the reps in, and I promise you it will get easier. And the thing is, finding good deals at the start is hard, especially when you find a good deal and then you go to buy it again once it's sold out because you made a good profit, and then you can't rabbit trail off that product that you found. Reversal sellers on that listing. Over time, you'll realize it's not just about finding good deals. It's looking for certain patterns within a Keeper graph, and that is how you continue to keep finding decent products that are worth testing. Sourcing becomes a rhythm check. Sites, checking sales, testing products, tracking data. That's how you scale without needing a perfect replen. A perfect replen is going to always tank. Once it's found once, it's just, the price is going to get absolutely annihilated. Now, if this video helped you think a bit differently about replens, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, as I will continue to keep posting more FBA tips. If you have any videos that you want me to make that you think can help you, I'm more than happy to make this video so I can guide as many people as I can to grow their Amazon FBA business correctly. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I will make sure I reply to everyone.